Well, if you take, Business Central as a whole, whether it's the JAWS module, whether it's, the manufacturing line, all of it together, it's for a company like mine, it's information we never had before. We didn't know what we didn't know. And now you're taking that information about your manufacturing, you're taking that information about your administrative costs and all of those things, and you're tying it all up. And now we're letting our financial team take that information and audit it like they should be doing, and giving us value added information out of it. So I think that's really where Business Central shines in all aspects of it. And I think the JAWS module really brings it all full circle, because like I said before, everyone focuses on the manufacturing, and it's very easy things to do. How much did it cost us to make it? How much did it cost me to buy it? We didn't know how much it cost me to design it, though, or to manage this project, or to redesign it. Or, you know what, we had these two components already that we designed, but they never went together. So now what is it going to cost me to engineer those two pieces together to make this new request? So that's really where I think Business Central as a whole, with all of these different components that it has to it, can be a very invaluable tool for what you're trying to do and understand what you're doing as business.
So I bet once you guys had all that information available to you when you switched over to Nav or whatnot, there, it might have been a little bit nerve-wracking, right? Because you're seeing the good and the bad then at that point, right?
Oh yeah.
But in the long term, it's good because you can fix the bad. But
one of the very funny things is when we first started the implementation, one of the things I had stressed to everybody is, we're going to uncover a lot of our dirty secrets that we didn't even know about ourselves.
Right.
There's things that we just didn't even realize, and it's going to be scary, but you just need to own it. We've just got to fix this.
Exactly.
And you don't know what you don't know.
Right.
And that's one of the good things about Business Central, is that it's going to tell you what you didn't know about yourself. And I think that it's a very scary realization, because you walk into it thinking you're an expert. I know everything about us. And Business Central lets you when you any ERP system that's properly implemented and that you're using properly is going to let you know you didn't know as much as you thought you knew.
Grounds you.
Yeah, exactly. It's very humbling, I think. And
we've had instances where it's like, hey, look, with jobs, we can now budget engineering hours and track actual engineering hours. And sometimes the engineering manager is in the room and goes, yeah, we're not going to do that to start. maybe phase 2, we'll get to that. Like,
doesn't want anybody to know.
I think I understand what's happening here.